Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to set sounds for your phone notification on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just open your phone, and after that we just need to go into the settings part. And this settings part, you just need to scrolling down until you found is sounds and haptics. This part, the sounds and haptics, just need to click it, and here you will have an access to choose the ringtones. In the sounds and haptic patterns, you just need to go into the ringtones. And now we just need to find out the ringtones or the sounds that you want to use for your phone notification. You just need to find out which sounds that you want to use. Whenever you're done, that's just done for everything. So you just need to go back, go back here, and that will already set. So now your new sounds or new ringtones will be a waves. If you want to change it, just do the same. Just do all the step backs and just choose what sounds that you want to use for your notifications, ringtones, or sound. So that's the way how to set a sound for your phone notification. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.